Hello guys, oil palm farmer in the house. Today's episode is going to be highly educative, highly expository, and high opening. I have with me here knife for palm oil, but the issue is not with knife for palm oil. I'm actually holding the best palm oil in the country. As you can see, this is Nigerian Institute for Oil Palm Research palm oil produced from NIFO. So it was given to me as an ambassador. So as you all know now, I'm the ambassador for NIFO. So, but that's not the bone of contention for today. Today I want to make some clarification. I want to give you some shocking facts about palm oil, the crude palm oil, and what we call the RPDO. What I'm holding here is called CPO. That's what we call it in the technical terms. Well, this is crude palm oil. And this guy I'm holding here is called RBDO, refined bleached palm oil. Okay, now, so this guy, palm oil is produced from the processing of the palm nut. When you process, when you cook, when you blend and clarify and do everything, this is the first oil you will get. It is being produced from the processing of the mesocarp of the palm nut. This is the oil you get. So, but so many Nigerians don't know. So many Nigerians doesn't know that palm oil is the father of this normal vegetable oil we all buy in the market. So the first clarification I want to make is that you see this guy here is palm oil in its natural essence. All the vitamin, all the minerals, all the nutrients is all packed here. And it is majorly in Africa and some part of Asia, maybe like India, we hit this thing like this because our forefathers know the benefit of what is inside. This guy is just like crude oil. When they exploit and extract crude oil from the surface of the heart, from the underground of the heart, they will take it to the refinery, they will produce petrol, they will produce kerosene, they will produce diesel, they will produce fertilizer. So this guy is just like crude oil. As you are seeing it now, you can get about 5 other products from it. But when you use it to cook, that is why our forefathers live long, because they eat real palm oil. Vitamin E, everything is inside. So this is the crude palm oil. Now, when you take this one into further refining, that is what you now get refined, bleached, deodorized palm oil. You will now come and get this. Do you get it? Now, what they do in essence is to refine this. They will bleach, they will deodorize it, and they will come out with white color. This is what the Igbo people teach us how to be eating. Do you get it? Now, but this guy here, you can exploit palm stearin from it. Palm stearin is what they use in producing all these your creamer, all these many milk in the supermarket have vegetable fat. They have palm stearin. And they also exploit vegetable fat, palm stearin, to use in making margarine. So it is now your choice. Maybe you want to go for this, the natural essence one, or you want to go for the refined one. Some people go for this because of its African taste, the natural taste. But if you are going for this, I have to tell you that you are consuming vitamin E in the natural form, direct. You are consuming vitamin E in the natural form, direct. So, but this, when they process it into this, something like this, when you go to the market, you will see maybe like King's oil, you see power oil. Just go and look at their ingredients. Any vegetable oil you see in the market and they didn't put, maybe it's soya bean oil, it's coconut oil, is sunflower oil. They just write vegetable oil. Go and look at the ingredients. They will write it there, palm oil. It's made from palm oil. Don't let the color deceive you. this thing is made from palm oil. If it's not soya oil, if it's not castor oil, if it's not sunflower oil, it's vegetable. Just go and look at the ingredients, especially King's oil and power oil. Go and look at it. It's made from palm oil. What they do is just to remove the color because they know Nigerian people will value all this foreign something. So although there are some dishes you cannot use palm oil to cook, we understand that. So this one is made from palm oil. That is the point, the major point I want to prove to you today. And if you think you are running away from palm oil and you are eating this, you are still eating palm oil. So this one has gone it has gone through further refining, further processing. So it's not as natural as this. It's not as natural as this. This one is more natural. It contains all the natural goodness in it. So, but this, it can still be fortified. They can still add vitamin A to it. They can still add vitamin E to it, but not you. They don't add it to palm oil, the red palm oil. It has it naturally. But because this one has gone through refining process, it has lost some of those properties. They now have to fortify it. They will now add artificial vitamin A. They will now add artificial vitamin E. So next time you go to the market, this is palm oil. This is also palm oil. It's now left to you. The dish you want to use it for, your taste, or your own style of cooking. So this is more natural. This is a refined product. Thank you for your time and see you on the next one. Shishi.